Hey creatives, I hope you are doing well. Now welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you step by step on how to create this amazing invitation card on Affinity Designer. Now let us get started. First go to Files and create a new file with the following dimensions. Then go to Rectangle tool and create a rectangle following your artboard. Choose your favorite color, but myself I'm going to leave as it is. Then go to Filters, add noise. Add noise around 25%. Lock your layer. Go to Files and press a PNG object. Then reduce opacity around 25. Also lock this layer. Then go to an ellipse and create an ellipse above your artboard. You don't need to be perfect. Then Ctrl J to duplicate it. Then hide the layer below and go to above ellipse and hide fill color. Expand the stroke around 2.5. Then expand it. Select an ellipse below and go to FX. Select inner shadow. Add radius to almost 44.5 pixels. Then go to Files and press an object. Hold the Alt key and move an object to duplicate it. Then rotate. Go to Files again. Then hold the Alt key and move the object or to duplicate it. Then go to Text tool and create a text. So I prepared my text. I'm going to paste it. Now adjust as much as possible according to your needs. So if you are satisfied, take time to review your work. Then go to Files, save and export. Now I have a confidence to say that after watching this video, you can create a very useful and amazing invitation card of your own and clients. Remember that practice makes more perfect. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like and comment for more tutorials and designing tips. My name is Boniface and here is Moikambo Creatives. See you until next time. Bye bye.